Are you looking for a way to sync between Microsoft Outlook Calendar and Google Calendar? With ZZBots, it is now easier than ever to install this full two-way sync as a plugin from our plugin store. This plugin contains two bots. One bot will monitor for new or updated events in Outlook Calendar, and then sync them over as Google Calendar events. The other bot will monitor for new or updated events in Google Calendar, and then sync them over as Outlook Calendar events. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In ZZBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Microsoft Outlook Calendar account. After your account is connected, select the calendar that you want to sync with. Next, set up the connection with your Google Calendar account. After your account is connected, select the calendar that you want to sync with. After you click Next and Install Now, this full two-way sync will be up and running. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the bots page, where you will have the option to disable or re-enable your bots, as well as configure your bot settings. Although further customization is optional. You can test this sync by creating a new event in Outlook Calendar and then updating a pre-existing event. In ZZBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. You can see the bot history for each bot, as shown here, that will show a history of all the events synced over. In Google Calendar, you can see that the two different tasks from Outlook Calendar synced over successfully. With your bots enabled, all new or updated events will continue to automatically two-way sync between Microsoft Outlook Calendar and Google Calendar. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your apps together or automate your business, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be happy to help you.